Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is our next slideshow for today, and it is called related to depreciation, how to calculate depreciation, and how to trade in with a new trade in with a old truck, and several other things to be calculated. And you are requested to kindly practice uh, according to this video as much as you can, and you are further requested to please subscribe and share it with your friends. Now we go to our first question. The question is given, and to its solution. This is the question. An equipment purchased 5 years ago, fully depreciated, and is no longer in use. Equipment had no salvage value. Salvage value is in fact the remaining value, or a value which normally is when we when equipment is when we sell this used equipment, then we accountant suppose, or accountant believes that this much of amount, a certain amount of amount is we are going to recover after from the sale of this equipment after its use. I hope you are understand. Salvage value is that value which we can recover after when we after using the equipment and we sell it. So it's very easy that supposingly we have purchased the equipment 5 years ago, like this one, and when we are going to when now we are going to sell it and buy a new one, and by selling it, if we get some value for it, or we are selling to some person or some company, then we if we get some value for it, or for sale price for it, then that amount is called salvage value, or there are several other names for this also. So equipment has no salvage value, nor is removed from the books of accounts. It has already been stopped using the equipment, and cost of the equipment was 500,000. Now a journal entry has to pass. Give an entry to record the scrapping of the equipment. This is the scrapping of the equipment. And accumulated depreciation is debited 500,000, and equipment is credited by 500,000. This is going to remove. This is how we are going to remove this equipment from our books of accounts. Now there is a B part for this question. A truck purchased 6 years ago at 2 million rupees. The truck is depreciated on diminishing balance method. We are going to learn in this video how to calculate diminishing balance method, and it has at 15%. Means diminishing balance method at 15%. After 4 years of use, the truck is traded in on a new model having a list price rupees 205 50,000. Dealer grants a trade-in allowance of rupees 240,000 for old truck. Means when we are trading our old truck with the new one, then the dealer has allowed us to for 240,000 as the discount, you can say, or it is normally said dealer has got trade-in allowance. It is normally said. Now we are required to record the exchange of truck on cost basis without recognizing gain or loss. We are not going to record any gain or loss on the trading. So next slide is going to show us how it is solved. First, we are going to compute on diminishing balance method. The cost is given 2 million. and the first year depreciation, after first year the truck is depreciated by 15%, and you can see how it is calculated. And 300,000 is the first year depreciation. And first year after first year, the diminished balance or diminished cost of the equipment would remain as 1.7 million. See, the cost minus the depreciation would give us the new cost of the truck, the new truck, and it is 1.7 million. For now, we are going to calculate the depreciation for the second year. It's very obvious, giving over there 255,000 is the depreciation, and after the cost for 1.7 million, 255,000 is deducted. We get a new diminished cost of the equipment of the truck, and that is 144.5 thousand. And similarly it is done for the third year and the fourth year. See, after fourth year we are going to get a book value for the new truck, because we are going to trade in this the truck after use of fourth year. So we are getting price or the cost after fourth year. Now, computation, how much cash we have to pay. New truck cost is 250,000. Less trade-in value, 240,000. This is what the dealer has allowed us. So cash to be paid is 181, 1.8. What is this? 1,000, whatever it is given over there. Okay. Now new truck cost, total new truck, which is to be entered in the books of accounts, right? New truck cost is calculated. Old truck cost, first we have to calculate the old truck book value. Book value is 2 million minus allowance for depreciation 955, 988. This is the total depreciation for the old truck, and when it is deducted from the cost of the truck, we get a value 1044012. And cash paid, we have paid cash 181 0000. This is the cash we have paid, so it is added and new truck cost is calculated easily. Okay, now we go to the next slide. This is the journal entry to remove from the books of accounts the old truck and to enter the new truck. The new truck cost calculated in the previous slide is 2854012. This is the cost of the old truck. Allowance for depreciation is to be debited for the old truck. This is allowance for depreciation of the old truck, 955, 988. This is the allowance for depreciation. This has to be debited, and truck old to be removed from the books is credited to 2 million, and the cash paid is also credited. So this is how the journal entry, this is the journal entry to be passed to remove from the books the old truck and to enter in the books the new truck. This was our new slide, the last slide. You are requested to please subscribe and share it with your friends. And further, I would request you to kindly practice it as much as you can. The more you practice, the more you are going to learn and remember it. Allah Hafiz.